Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation. Then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, today is just another day in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online in 2023. So I'm going to look at several pairs and I will just show you one if time permits so that we can have a look at what is it that we can trade for the rest of the week. Before I can go into my laptop screen and show you what is going on there by the trading view, I want to remind you guys of the competition that I'm currently hosting with Fibo Group broker, which is an international broker, and it's regulated and also it's reliable. It has ultra low spreads that you can just take advantage of. So guys, the competition goes like this. You have to register an account via the link in my description. Then once you have opened an account, which is a live account, obviously you have to then deposit a minimum of $10. Once you've deposited that minimum of $10, you need to then hit me up on my WhatsApp number and tell me that you have registered and you deposited. Then I will put you in a separate group to what I currently have. The group is called $10 challenge. So whoever in that group gets to $100 first will get to win another $100. Then it will make their account $200 so that they can withdraw and enjoy the money. And if they want to continue trading, of course you can simply do so until you get to whatever amount that you feel like it's safe for you to withdraw and enjoy that money. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Let me show you what is it that I'm looking at and how we can take advantage of the market. I know it's December, so the markets are unstable, so we have to trade responsibly and we have to be extra vigilant. We have to be extra careful with everything that we do on the market. So guys, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Cheers. All right guys, welcome back. Now we are on my laptop screen. So what we're currently looking at here on my screen is NZDCAD, NZDCAD. So we are currently looking at it on daily time frame. So this is how it looks on daily time frame. So this is the zone that I have already marked up before I could even start recording. So I just removed it. I want to show you guys now. So let's follow price action so that we can see what's going on this pair. But before we can do anything, guys, let me just tell you guys that I still have a free WhatsApp group, which is a community WhatsApp group for traders. We share about signals, trading analysis. We talk about everything Forex. So if you would like to join that group for free, you can just hit me up on my WhatsApp number, and this is how you should put your message. Hi, my name is so and so. I heard you talking about your free WhatsApp group, community group, and I would like to be part of it. So you have to be subscribed, and again you have to send me a screenshot showing that you are indeed subscribed. So another thing is, if you would like to trade with a reliable broker, you can just simply click on the link in my description. Then you can register with Fibo Group. So this is the Forex broker that I'm currently trading with, and I'm trusting my money with it. So if you want to join me on that broker, you can just simply open an account with them and deposit a minimum of $10. Then trade that $10 up until $100. Then I will give you another $100 to make it $200. Then you can withdraw your money. So now that is out of the way, let's get right into the analysis. So let's follow price action. I'm not sure where I'm going to begin following this price action, but let me just start it from here. So there was a high, right? This was a high and lower high. So we expect a lower low, because it looks like we are going to the downside currently. So price is currently ranging from this price. It's ranging from this price leg from there, and here. So this is where price is currently at. So we want to establish where the market is currently going. So let's take it from that leg. When you're looking at it from that leg, from this leg, let me just highlight it for you. When you're looking at it from this leg, you can simply tell that let me just zoom in so that we can see it clearly. So when you look at it from here and here, so this is the price leg. This is the price leg that I'm talking about. So price is currently on this price leg, and when you look at it, if I can just draw this line like this, so then you will clearly tell that we are going to the downside. But I always say on my trading channel, or rather on my YouTube channel, that you shouldn't take my word for it. So you have to follow price action religiously so that you can have a better understanding or have a better clear view of where the price is going, right? So let's just follow price action even on this leg. So this was a high, and now this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? So it clearly indicates that we are going to the downside. So another leg is this one. So there is a lower high there, and we have this lower low here. So come on, what am I doing now? So we have a lower low here. So right now, when you look at it here as it stands on daily time frame, you can see that price is currently in a supply. So price is currently trading in a supply. Where is the supply? So this is the supply that the price is currently trading at, as you can have a look. So this is how it goes. You can see it's currently at a daily supply. So we're going to then move to 4-hour time frame so that we can further check if we are going to the downside even on 4-hour time frame. Then if we're not going to the downside on 4-hour time frame, then we do not take any trade, because we have to see all this time frame aligning, or all this time frame congruent to each other, if I can just put it that way. So right now on daily time frame, we are going to the downside, and we are currently trading inside a daily supply. So we're going to move to 4-hour time frame. So this is 4-hour time frame, and this is how we have it. Let me just do it like this, then we can have a clear look. So you can see that was a high, and this is a low, lower high, never a lower low, a higher high, higher low, higher high. Then price on 4 hours says that we are going to the upside. So we cannot trade to the upside because the higher time frame, which is daily time frame in this case, says we are going to the downside. So as you can see, this was a lower low on daily time frame, and now this is a lower high on 4-hour time frame, and again on 4-hour time frame, this is a higher low. So this low failed to break this low to put in a new lower low. So this is a higher low. Then we have a higher high here because this lower high here was broken. So this is now a higher high, and now this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, and we have a higher high up there. So this is a higher high. So what we want to see happening, because here on 4-hour time frame we can visibly see that it is going to the upside. Even if I can just draw it to you like this, you can see that it is going to the upside, but we don't want to see it going to the upside. Instead, we want to see it going to the downside so that it aligns with a daily time frame direction. You know what I mean? So we have to see change of character happening either from 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame. But then in this case, it will be so ideal for us to look at 4-hour time frame for our change of character. So like I said, this was a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is the low that we're going to wait for price to come and violate. So if price doesn't violate this, or rather let me say, we are not yet bearish until this level is removed. So if price continue to go to the upside, then we're going to relook into the trade. So this is the scenario. This is what might happen on this pair. So price Okay, ideally what we want to see happening is we want to see price further plummeting to the downside to break this level to the downside. Then we can safely say we are now going to the downside even on 4-hour time frame. Then now we are incongruent with daily time frame. So then we are going to wait to take a trade to the downside here. But another scenario is something of this nature might happen. So price from here might still continue to go to the upside and violate our daily supply. So it might come and go to the upside. So at the moment, all we just need to do is just to wait and observe and monitor the price action and see where it is taking us to. So at the moment, we just going to have to wait. So this was a high that was broken before price could tap into that order block. So hence I'm saying this level here is our change of character. So if I can just jot it down so that you can clearly have a better understanding of what is going on. This is a break of structure to the upside. So price broke the structure to the upside when it was going to tap into that order block. I mean, yeah, that supply order block on daily time frame. So then now this is a change of character that we want to see happening before we can have a confidence that we are going to the downside. So this is what we need to wait to see happening. So we want to see price coming to the downside, breaking this structure to the downside, then coming back and taking us in, then plummet further with us. So this is how I'm expecting everything to play out on NZDCAD from daily time frame, or again onto 4-hour time frame. So even if I can just go to 1-hour time frame, I will basically see the same thing. Let's just go and see. So this is basically the same thing that we are seeing here on 1-hour time frame. So this was a high before price could tap into that order block, and it went to the downside. It left this higher low. It went to the upside. It broke that high. Then now it's currently going to the downside. So we still have to wait. We still have to apply the same principle even on hourly time frame. So guys, it has been your boy Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace.